Algorand's EMA10, in every practical sense, shows a genuinely descending pattern, which really is very huge. As far as Algo support floor, it really is currently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algo fall 19.78% in 7 days, showing that as far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is currently 29 cents in a sort of huge manner. Algorand sort of is buy and bias teamed at 16 cents 23 January 2024. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and really attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some things, facts, what sort of is certainly momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Truly is Algo a kind of wise interest in a very significant manner. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to plunging especially profound into the Algo specialized examination, in a real sense let us most certainly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,525,941,013,570, which in every practical sense is very critical. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $72,835,133,742, so however prior to jumping certainly profound into the Algo specialized investigation, sort of allowed us for the most part to discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 6.51%, coming to $2,192.72 during the past 24 hours, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3%, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time span, so which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in an unpretentious manner. Sold a local coin of Solana most certainly is somewhere around 4.89 and presently exchanging at $81.66, which in every practical sense is very huge. Moreover, XRP came to 51 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.77% in esteem, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a very descending course for commonly present moment, certainly further appearance, how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $1,525,941,013,570 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a general essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a sort of broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an exceptionally significant way. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers basically become certainly more genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $294.60, following a value change of 4.54% within a similar time period. So which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $39,258.10 level after a decay of 2.3% in a for the most part huge manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants in a real sense become moves sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a genuinely enormous manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The kind of current Algorand cost generally is 16 cents, with an exchanging volume of $59,341,571 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. As of now, Algo explicitly is somewhere near 5.69% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,247,847,559 United States dollars, or so they especially thought. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 23 January 2024, inside a for the most part everyday time span, commonly made sense of underneath, which basically shows that presently, Algo really is somewhere near 5.69% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,247,847,559 United States dollars in an exceptionally significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Algorand in a sort of huge manner fundamentally. The Algorand by and large has generally break all its for the most part, upholds levels and things in every practical sense, are not looking especially really great for the crypto market, exhibiting that we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving most certainly normal, EMA, to in every way that really matters, dissect the future development of the Algorand, which especially is genuinely critical. At present, fundamentally bears essentially are in charge of the market and effectively generally take algo cost underneath the significant help level of 29 cents in a truly significant manner. While Algo's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign for the most part is genuinely conceivable at this reach, showing how Algorand in a real sense is by and by esteemed at 16 cents 23 January 2024. In this video we will truly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand, most certainly is Algo a sort of wise interest in a significant manner. The Algo United States dollar moving genuinely normal union and difference, MACD, marker, sort of is showing an especially present moment, generally sell truly signal, as the MACD line sort of is moving beneath truly signal line which explicitly implies fundamentally bears truly are ruling on the lookout. So Bitcoin shares 50.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Algo